This course is fairly comprehensive and it includes almost every topic of AutoCAD. So that is why it is imperative that you know everything about this course and how to best use all the materials in this course. Now, the course mainly comprises of video lectures, and these video lectures are divided into different lessons and modules. So we have multiple modules and all of these modules contain their lecture videos. Now, at the end of every module, you will find a practice drawing which will be related to that module, and also you'll find the practice quiz. So I recommend you to go through the practice drawing or the practice exercise as well as the quizzes to assess your performance. At the end of this course, there is a complete practice drawing module as well. And that practice drawing module contains the practice drawings from different disciplines of engineering. For example, you'll find drawings from mechanical, civil, architectural, and electrical disciplines. Now, I've also created 2 PDF ebooks for you, and these ebooks are the quiz ebook, which is actually a collection of quizzes from this course with the answer key, and a 150 AutoCAD command list ebook. So you can download both of these ebooks by clicking this link, and these PDFs are absolutely free for you. Now, as you will move further into the course, Udemy will prompt you for adding reviews, and you can add your opinion about the course. You can add the reviews multiple times in this course. So if you feel like you're not ready to add the reviews in the first few prompts for adding the review, then you can also skip adding the review. And if you feel like this course deserves a 5-star, then I encourage you to share your reviews and ratings. For any course related questions, you can always reach me in the Q&A section, or you can also send me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's get started with the complete course of AutoCAD.